Heaters are meant to provide reliable temperature control and stable water heating, yet you spend a lot of time and money to achieve this goal. ProSonics can help. The Projet Heater is an energy transfer device designed to heat water. With a self-modulating two-stage heating design, the Projet Heater provides stable heating performance and is easily maintained. The steam control valve regulates steam pressure into the heater. Typically, this valve is a globe valve or a V-notch ball valve. There are multiple heater steam injector sizes which can increase steam heating capacity. Projet hack: don't oversize this valve because it might lead to premature wear and poor temperature control. Review the steam valve sizing to ensure it agrees with the Projet CV requirements. The steam strainer reduces the amount of scale or debris that might plug the internal workings of the Projet heater. The steam isolation valve isolates steam for maintenance or when water heater is not in operation. Check valves allow steam and water to flow in one direction and prevents water from entering the steam line or steam entering the water line. The temperature sensor measures the water being heated. Insert the sensor in an area of the discharge piping that gives a good temperature response. The sensor should be located within 10 to 20 pipe diameters of heater discharge. The temperature controller compares the temperature output from the heater to a desired set point. A set point is entered on a keypad. The controller receives signals from the temperature sensor and then sends a signal to the steam control valve to regulate the steam pressure to the Projet heater. The IP transducer converts an electronic signal to a pneumatic signal that's used to drive the pneumatic actuator on the steam control valve to its proper position. During routine installation or maintenance, you can use standard pipe fitting tools. The steam injector can be removed while the Projet liquid body remains installed. The Projet heater can be installed horizontally or vertically and provide the consistent temperatures that save you time and money. See Projet in action. Schedule a demo today at pro-sonics.com.